Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to master the secant-secant power theorem. It sounds complex, but it is actually a very simple relationship involving lines and circles. First, let's define what we are working with. A secant is a line that cuts through a circle, intersecting it at exactly 2 points. This is different from a tangent, which only touches the circle once, or a chord, which stays inside. Here is the specific scenario for our theorem. We start with a point P located outside the circle. From this single external point, we draw 2 secant lines. Notice how they create 4 intersection points with the circle. To use the theorem, we need to identify 2 specific lengths for each line. First is the whole segment, which is the distance from P to the farthest point on the circle. Second is the external segment, the distance from P to the nearest point on the circle. The theorem states a powerful product relationship. The length of the whole secant segment multiplied by its external segment is equal to the length of the other whole secant segment multiplied by its external segment. Mathematically, we can write this as P times PB equals PC times PD. Remember, P is always our starting point for measuring distances. We multiply the long distance by the short outside distance. Let's apply this to a problem. We need to find the value of x on the top secant. We have an external part of 4 and an internal part of 5. On the bottom secant, the external part is 3 and the internal part is x. First, calculate the whole lengths. The top whole length is 4 plus 5, which is 9. The bottom whole length is 3 plus x. Setting up our equation, 9 times 4 equals the quantity 3 plus x times 3. Solving this, 36 equals 9 plus 3x, which gives us x equals 9. To wrap up, remember these key points. Secants hit the circle twice. Always measure your length starting from the external point. And the formula is simply whole times external equals whole times external. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.